Hi guys, video on ARM, my first one. This stock caught my eye because of, again, Nvidia owns a little bit of this one, mainly CoreWeave but also some ARM, and yeah, they just keep, like, the revenue keeps going up. They hit $1 billion this year. Now the next one, like, it's a little bit lower, but still, if you go, like, compare it with 1 year ago, it's still a growth. Then from the low, 5-wave move to the upside on the weekly, highest volume on the third, no overlap with 1 and 4. 4 briefly went below the 618, but it's okay. Then we had this A wave down. For me it was too short in time to call this the wave 2. We had this push, 3 wave, hit the 886. That for me was an indication that whatever comes is going to be probably corrective, and one day we're going to take this high. And then we found support at the 618 taken from this low to the wave 1 high. This was in confluence with, here you have this wave 3 breakout candle, and then you have this range below it together with, yeah, the 618 offered good support. Then from that low, by the way, if I take the 1-2 setup in yellow, this is your target box for your wave 3. Then if I zoom in, also here you hit this, you hit the 86 from this high, the B wave high to the C wave low. Then again here, this ABC internally, you hit the 886. I'll zoom in a little bit. So from the April lows, you had a 5-wave move to the upside. Then you had this. For me, yeah, again you hit the 886, so whatever comes after this is probably going to be corrective. And yeah, we found support at the point of control of the range, together with then the 0.3825. We didn't reach it quite on the dollar, but still. Then from here, this could be another 1-2 setup inside this larger yellow 3, with the third wave target box starting at 360. If we complete these 5 patterns, 5 waves, we can reach this box potentially. So now what bothers me is, okay, we had this potential inverse head and shoulders pattern here. It's not the nicest, it's a little bit ugly, but I had this trend line, we broke out, we came back and back tested it, so offered good support. What bothers me though is, if this is a initial 5 wave to the upside, this is your 2, we found support here at the point of control and these fibs, I'll delete it. This is a third wave, yes, but like this fourth went too deep, and yeah, now it can just be a expanding diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but that's just so rare in my opinion. But yeah, counting this as a double 1-2 is also not nice, because your second one would be longer than your, look, you hit the 1.618, so it's, I prefer not to do this at one, like not to count this as a 1-2, 1-2, because of your second one being longer than the first one. So for now, I'm leaning then towards that this is gonna be a diagonal pattern, very ugly, but okay. Now we have the 5th wave here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It might push a little longer, a little more to the upside, but again, we're talking about really the micro now. For me, long term, I'm just watching their earnings. From analysis point of view, yeah, the chart suggests to me that we're gonna take at least the all-time high, and then yeah, if we follow the volume, and if the volume picks up on the weekly here, we might start this third wave and push. That's why if you zoom in here, yeah, it's ugly, but on the weekly it's pretty, yeah, it's okay still. You have a nice 1-2, you hit the 382, and then now, yeah, you could consider this was just a 1-2 in the 3 waver then, but that's the micro and not very important in my opinion. Was interesting to buy here, was interesting to buy here. In my opinion, is still interesting, but you need to know what the company does. You need to, yeah, get into the numbers as well a little bit. Interesting here. You also have some sort of inverse head and shoulders on the weekly RSI. So yeah, looking for more upside, up 5% today. So very good start of the week. And yeah, that's ARM. Thank you for watching and bye bye.